Here, the two rivers, Brigach and the Breg, meet, and it's the starting point of our tour. The tour that will bring us to the Danube Delta.
Excuse me, for the Black Sea, where should I go? This way or that way?
That way.
That
way.
Okay.
Just go.
The first time that I'm here at this place, having the feet in the Danube, it's the perfect start for our tour.
See you guys.
In the next weeks, we will visit 12 pearls, so destinations that are dedicated for sustainable mobility.
So this is it. This is the source of the Danube. You can see the bubbles as water comes up from the ground.
And I have to make a wish.
Dusan hasn't been riding bike for 20 years.
This is for me.
Our hero, after 20 years again on the bike. So?
Have we arrived? How much more? Half an hour.
Ja, okay, ja, wir sind gestartet in Eisenach, das ist in der Mitte von Deutschland, und sind nach Korsika gefahren. Und Korsika, ja, das war so ein Reiseplan, der Silvester entstanden ist mit Freunden. Ja, jetzt sind wir auf dem Rückweg und sind über Frankreich, über Nizza, die Provence, Avignon, Lyon, Freiburg, jetzt wieder zurück nach Eisenach.
And how many kilometers is that?
Every day 100 Kilometer, and so 17 days, 17 Tage.
That's the hero. We made it, huh?
We are just nearby the Leiter, just by the gate. And the Vogelmir arm now has a new function, bringing friends into the city. And now we are going to see how goes the watermill arm into the city.
Oh, the fuck? Oh, my knees. Okay. Now I understand what you meant.
Oh my God. We can stop for a while. When it's raining, it's a very good place.
We arrived in the center.
Yes.
By boat.
Yeah.
Time for gastro break.
So here we have perkelt.
I have fish soup.
Knuckle, you know? This is the third time on our trip that we have pork knuckle. This is Hungarian style. So we had German style, we had Austrian style, this is Hungarian style. First thing, the meat is perfect, best. Really, the meat is the best that we have. But, one thing, we should think about here, the skin. It's a bit more crispy in Schweizerhaus in Vienna.
Now we are traveling from Pomorje region to Vienna, and you can buy your tickets in the train. Also, you can buy a ticket for your bicycle or dog. So ticket for the bicycle is €5.50 for your bicycle. Now we are around 50 kilometers from Vidin, and we came here to visit famous Belogradchik rocks.
Пещера Магура. Магура означава пряк наследник, потомък на богинята майка. Това е слънчевия календар. Значи те са познавали и астрономията. Те са знаели, че Земята се върти около Слънцето. Ето го Слънцето в средата.
And there is a big fair in Vidin. There is really everything. You want some sweets?
Here we are just in the beginning of the Hungarian Danube parts. This is the beginning of the canoe tours, which is going along the small Danube, which is meandering 125 kilometers on the southern part of Szigetköz. All the important places, stops, most of them are good campsites. And this is the arm system. And we will go from there, we will go through here, we will go around, and then we will go back. We have a group of retired Germans, and we were taking them for canoeing. After half an hour, they started to tell, "Oh, Zoltán, this is fantastic. It's a real jungle." And I said, "Well, have you been there in Amazonas?" "Yes, we have been in Amazonas, in Congo, in Zambezi, but we couldn't get so close to nature than here. We were sitting in big boat, and we could see the jungle like a green wall. But this is not a green wall, it's a living nature."